Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Retool to create CRUD admin screens fast, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open Retool and log into your account. Create a new application by clicking on the Create New button. Select a blank canvas option to start from scratch. Add a new resource for your database by navigating to the Resources tab. Choose your database type from the list provided. Enter the required connection details and test the connection to ensure everything is set up correctly. Once your resource is created, go back to your application. On the left sidebar, click on Components to view available UI elements. Drag and drop a table component onto your canvas to display data. Link the table component to your database by selecting your resource and the desired table. Next, add a form component to your canvas for creating and editing records. Configure the form component fields to match your database schema. For each field, set the data type and define validation rules if necessary. Add a button component to your form for the save action. Create a query to insert or update records based on the form input using the query editor. Set the query to trigger when the Save button is clicked. Back in your table component, add a query to fetch data that refreshes when a record is added or updated. Ensure pagination and sorting options are enabled in the table for better user experience. To implement the delete feature, add a delete button to each row in your table. Create a delete query that removes the selected record based on its unique identifier. Set the delete button to trigger this query and refresh the table after deletion. Finally, review and test all components to ensure CRUD functionalities work smoothly. Make any necessary adjustments for layout and styling to fit your application needs. Save your application and preview it to see CRUD admin screens in action. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.